Myntri ketenat kakot kekia ke sorkar Jylla ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo henne kesengi ke kubur bagi don katu kat ni ke jing bombyang ha ke bayade bagi tender bantung yi ki kali kit nongpang 108 ke Dr. Lingdo ke loong bayakani kakam lakmi de ketenat an ha ke jokopor kadang tuat jingmut no Myntri rang ba ke Jylla kat kum ke jing thu jongka ketenat ya menta ke la plie biang ye ke jingmut ha ke bayade bagi jingkhot biang ya ke tender EOI ka hakoi pat kalyang namar ka jingnang kiu ka jingdon ki basakta ha ka khlam covid ha pokari ka Myntri ka laong bakam da don jingma than e yamenta ka laong ru bakala don ka jingelang ka blakhot do Myntri ka tnat ka kot ka khia ka sarkar pedeng ban benrap baka Jylla ka bet ka biang ha ka liang ki jingthia ICU oxygen bat kam khmilanti bakan don kanu kanu ka jing e
Particularly from my understanding is symptomatic, especially for people with low immunity and people whose health is not keeping well. Therefore, as a precaution, it would be advised that anyone who doesn't have or who is not in good health should take self-imposed precautions. When you tender the MRI 108 services, we have to ensure that it is state-of-the-art services. And if there have been certain components of that tender that were not in order, and if so advised by the law department, we're taking necessary precautions. And even if we have to re-tender this, there's absolutely no harm in that.